Is it on? What's up guys, this is Moto Mischa. Today we're talking about Fuel Stabiliser. Let's get it.
Music vibe. Music vibe.
Now you're probably asking yourself, why do we use Fuel Stabiliser? Well, I'll tell you why. Most gas nowadays comes with ethanol. They put ethanol in gas for environmental reasons. However, when left inside your tank for longer periods of time, it can destroy your tank over time. Therefore, we put Fuel Stabiliser inside our tanks to ensure that our bikes do start up after long periods of storage. And when I say long, I mean anything over 2 weeks usually. So, for the moment you've all been waiting for, let's see how you put Fuel Stabiliser inside your bike. First off, you gotta buy a Fuel Stabiliser. Now you're probably thinking, what brand do I get? Well, it really doesn't matter, to be honest. I'll be honest with you.
Doesn't matter.
Me personally, because I'm a cheapskate, I go for whatever's cheapest. Whatever's on sale, whatever's on clearance, it don't matter to me. And you can pick this up at any auto parts store and it will be just fine. Now before putting this colorful liquid inside your tank, be sure to read the instructions on the back of the bottle just to make sure you're putting in the right amount for the fuel you have. The quantities are usually 10 milliliters of Fuel Stabiliser for every 3 liters of fuel. So for my tank, about 5 doses is good enough. When finished, close your tank up and make sure to run your bike for at least 5 minutes to get the fuel and the stabilizer flowing through the fuel system. During this time, make sure to have a beer as well.
Because what else are you going to do with 5 minutes?
After 5 minutes, turn off the bike and you're all done. That was easy, wasn't it?
Thanks for the advice, Moto Mischa.
You're welcome. It's just what I do. Well, that's it for this video. Be sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and if you want more of these videos, I'll keep doing these for you. Because that's just what I do. I give the people what they want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Moto Mischa. Hopefully people will watch this.